What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. So third day of trading week, we see that quite a few movement already. We have got gold trade and also CAD JPY running in profit. So let's see one by one. In the upcoming, as you can see later FOMC coming, we could see that a bit more volatility in all the USD pairs as well as JPY pairs. So starting with gold, I will be looking at all of them: gold, euro, dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, AUD USD. Now before I begin this session, make sure that guys you give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So let's see how the market is doing. This is a trade just a couple of minutes ago. We had to open today two gold trades. One was here, this one we closed at entry. The next one has given us the profit, and the next one was a sell trade. Now the reason I have sold gold from here is because it just had the TP target hit directly. 1.5 times risk to reward ratio trade on gold, this one. Now what do we see that from here, there is you can see that there are quite a few dodges here. The price created a reversal pattern and then has broken to the downside completely. Now from this zone, what I think that we might see again a bit more upside on gold. As you can see, it's trying to create a pattern here. So if we see that suitable entry, we will be looking to enter on the 15 minutes time frame or on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see how the price is doing. Now if you look at the daily, if you remember early today, this is what I discussed, that if gold is going to this daily resistance zone, from that daily resistance we should be able to see that gold is bouncing towards the downside. Now if we look at the monthly, we can see that from the monthly perspective the price started to drop. This is a bigger picture, highly bearish. You can see from that zone there was a massive drop on gold, and I think that for longer term perspective on the monthly, gold highly likely could come back to the monthly 20 EMA. Now looking at the weekly, we can see that the same thing, the price is highly bearish, starting with this a strong drop, and I think that we could see further downside on gold for longer term. Now from the daily, so today so far, the previous day there is a middleman on gold. Now this middleman is in fact very important price action pattern. Now if you are not sure about the middleman, let me know in the live chat, we'll discuss more. Probably you have heard first time what is a middleman. Let me know if you haven't heard of a middleman. Now this is where you saw that the price tested this doji. This is a green narrow doji, which is in fact a very important level of support, turning resistance here, and from that zone you saw that there is a long bearish middleman has formed. Now from that zone we see that gold today so far has gone up, tested this gap, and then rejected towards the downside. Now what I think that gold might come back down and feel that long wick of the middleman, and we could see even a further drop, which is possible because FOMC coming. Okay, now you can see after back-to-back 3 sessions high, from that zone gold had a rejection. Now the reason I have sold here on gold is because if you look at this resistance here, you can see this is a, let me replay the chart to know exactly why did I sold gold. We had that profit target hit. Now you see that here this is the 15 minutes candle. You can see it's a middleman as well, and that has a liquidity gap. So I normally wait for this kind of candlestick pattern to be formed, and once you see this kind of candlestick pattern to be formed, this is where a trading opportunity comes. And you saw that had a in fact very good rejection. Now The question is, it has already crossed the liquidity zone here. Okay, it has crossed this support level and now trying to form another long wick candle. Now how this candle is closing will determine either it is again bouncing to the upside or it is coming down. We'll look at based on the lower time frame price action. And also let me know guys, how are you doing in your trading, and let me know in the live chat, are you enjoying the live session? Make sure guys you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Jay, thank you very much. Babaya, hello coach. Mark, morning coach, thank you Mark. Hello Izzat, thank you. Hi coach, good afternoon, hope you are doing well. Yep, I'm doing very well, thank you. Hi coach. Hello Izzat, thank you. Do you prefer the 5 minutes time frame? Yes, on gold I do prefer 5 minutes and 15 minutes, but not all instrument. On gold especially I prefer 5 minutes time frame and 15 minutes, but I do use higher time frame for multi time frame analysis. James Michael entered gold at 19.0, exactly the same trade. Very awesome James, that's awesome, very good. You know, you saw that our trade, that's very good. Hello coach, thank you. Coach, can you explain middleman? Okay, so we'll be discussing today more on middleman as well. This is an incredible price action guys. Middleman, very powerful price action. And middleman is also, we have a strategy based on middleman. It's one of my favorite trading strategy, middleman trading strategy, along with TF or trend following trading strategy. Now middleman is very powerful. I'll show you a couple of examples that you can see on the middleman that will tell you exactly how the market is moving. Said coach, thank you, good morning. Yep, gold hit TP target. We are on trade CAD JPY running an insane profit. We'll be discussing on that as well. Hello coach, hello, thank you very much. Any other trade will do in gold? Yeah, of course. This is the second. We do a lot of trade, live trade as well as VIP trade as well. So if you're on the VIP you get all of them, but if you are on the live also you get some of them. Hi coach, thanks for gold trade, please US30. Mohanat, after a long time, welcome, thanks for that. Good morning coach. Kinga, good morning. Lots of love from India, thank you. Hello coach, hi everyone. I didn't understand why didn't what. Okay, all right, so let's see what it is trying to do here. I think that gold might have, let me see. Okay, so let's find out how, if we see a very strong rejection probability for, I think it cross these dojis low. Okay, and let me see from 1 hour. Okay, so I'll be buying gold at the moment. I'll go long with, this is the third trade. From here, stop loss just below this low, right? And I'll explain why I'm opening this trade. It will be also because the market is ranging, we may not be able to take a very big risk to reward, but 1.6 is in fact is a good risk to reward. I'll be buying gold again from the zone, and as soon as I'll find an entry, let's see, we found that. Let me send that trade to, so this is a, we do a lot of trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I'll explain why I have opened this position. I also send the same trade to VAPs as well. I'm a bit late. We see there's some pullback. So there is a doji has formed. That's a very interesting price action has formed. You can see so the price gathered liquidity and formed a doji. Okay, we see that upside. To see that upside movement, I'm leading my approach. Okay, so it triggered liquidity here. Okay, so what I'm expecting for gold to have a bounce to the upside, because it has triggered liquidity, and now we can expect an upside movement for pullback with the news coming up with the FOMC. I'll tell you why I've again. So this is a very narrow range. So our trade are, we already gain a trade. We already secured profit on a trade with 1 to 1.5. The sell trade from here. Now we are on a buy trade, and also we are running another trade on CAD JPY. We'll be discussing on that one as well. And in the meantime also guys, we'll be discussing more about other position as well. So first let's keep eye on this gold position, how we can secure some profit on this. Now my entry on gold, I just want to know your entry also guys. I'm at 103.90 is my buy entry, but here I want to see that it's, let's see what it is trying to do here. Okay, so you see that break. Okay guys, so you see that upside. I'm entering in my profit zone. Let me know in the live chat guys your entry, so that I know exactly where you are in relation to the price. If you are on gold trade, share your entry on the live chat. As FOMC coming, we could see that gold getting very volatile, and it's a bull market, as you can see. Right, so what I will do, I will give a shout out whenever I will close the trade with profit or do anything. Okay, it's gone up. Okay, so okay, I think everyone is very good. Good entry, James 1904, 1904, 1903, 1903, 91. Okay, so 1904. Okay, so 1903, 65. Okay, 1903, 9. So basically, to have profit, the price must go above 1904 and well above, which is needed for now. The thing is that here, let me see on the 15 minutes, this kind of gap opening, I really I expected to have like this a very strong bullish candle, but it opened with a gap. That's a little bit of uncomfortable. Let's see how it goes. The 15 minutes close was a gap and a doji, but it triggered very good amount of liquidity from here. That's as I mentioned, it's just open with a gap. It might gather more liquidity. Take us out of the trade, guys. Need to sell. Oh my god, this is a very strong liquidity grab here, so we might see that that will drop further. Okay, okay, so this is a very bearish price action. Okay, now okay, now this is a time that I will be selling at the moment again, because it's a very strong bearish price action, so we want to take that trade again out to the downside. 2 to 1 on the 15 minutes, it has broken down, so we'll be opening sell position. It triggered liquidity. It could be stronger drop at the moment if we look at the daily, up to the daily support level, right? So we'll be selling. It's gonna drop. Okay, so very strong bearish price action has formed gold, so that could lead gold to I think it's gonna, because it might have a stronger drop, so we'll be extending our TP target if needed. I will extend it to 1895.201, so I will take 3 to 1 risk to reward. Okay, so it gathered liquidity back to back twice, and okay, that's there is no news at the moment, guys. There is no news, so that's why I've opened. There is no news coming up, no news coming at 4 a.m. It's quite a few hours from now. At the moment, there is no high impact news today. So so this price action for me is a 15 minutes candle, is a bearish candle, and I have opened sell position. So the price gathered liquidity from this twice. Okay, so previous one we opened based on the liquidity from this support, but it didn't hold. The support is broken. This is a 15 minutes candle which has triggered liquidity from this dodges high, and the price action you can see, after gathering liquidity from the support, it couldn't go up. Instead, you saw that the market started to drop. Now if we look at the 5 minutes time frame, which is a candle has closed with a long bearish price action. Okay, if this 15 minutes candle is closing like that, all right, as a bearish candle, I will be adding another 1% on gold to 2%. Then I will risk 2%, and the next one I will be targeting 1 to 1. This one will be 3 to 1. We'll keep that. All right, so if you are on the sell trade, guys, let me know in the live chat, either if you are on a trade or no, what's your entry. Okay, so I see that gold is potentially bearish now. So TP at 1895.21. Sell, Paul, we are on sell trade. Okay guys, make sure that everyone do proper risk management if you are trading is the key. So if you are risking big, it's not a right way to trade. So what I'm going to now, I'm going to add another position on gold with exact entry, stop loss, and exact TP target. I'll add another position on gold, and I'll explain why. So I have added another gold position and also advised the VIPs. So my TP on the next one, I'll keep a bit high, so 1897. Okay, now gold has formed a middleman here. So the second position that I have opened, my TP at 1897. Okay, so I have opened two position on gold, and I have also updated the guys. This is trading. As I mentioned, if you are really want to be a profitable trader, you need to develop that attitude. Keep calm, wait, and then when the market gives you, take the full profit, take bigger profit, a little increase the risk, not too many. Like I normally risk 1%, now I took 2%. It's not a big risk. I'm not taking 10% or 5%. And then take the profit for the next one, wait for how it does. So anything can happen in trading, even the market could reverse from here, which is possible, anything. So always it is important that, you know, as a trader, you always manage your risk, which is very important. Now the way the price action has formed on the 15 minutes, it is a bearish price action for me. And let's see, let's keep eye. Once the market manage to break, we'll be taking profit, and as soon as you will see that. Okay, guys, let me know if you are on the trade. Will be so you could see an upside, even a liquidity gap again. Might go up to test this level. Now because FOMC, all right, so okay, so let me see that this candle is a massive liquidity grab. Now if the price, you know, in case it's reversing, that's a different story. But another reverse, come back to the daily support level. Okay, so this candle is crucial. I want to see that this one is closing below or at max, testing the 20 MA and then closing below this level. Okay, so still running the trade. I'm still on the trade. Okay, let it break down. Gone to a very important liquidity zone. Reverse from here, that will be very notorious. Still running. Let's see what it is trying to do. Okay, I'll get reverse. Okay, I'm still on the trade. All right, guys, still on the trade. Now this one gathered another liquidity. Now if it reverses from here, if it drops from here, we should be able to see that drop. Let's see. Okay, I'm running 2 trades. Guys, are you on the trade still? Let me know. I'm still on the trade. It's almost nearly, yes, that's it. It has come down again. So let me know in the live chat you are running. Hopefully that you are running, everyone. I'm on the trade, nearly coming to the entry zone. I'm 2 trade on gold, and this 5 minutes candle, I want to see that it has broken down. This is the 15 minutes. There is a second time liquidity grab. Now this 15 minutes candle, I want to see that it's dropped back down and then price has gone back down. So now I'll move my stop loss a little bit to the upside, though it has dropped. All right, I'm in profit zone again. This is how trading works, guys. Just you need to be a little bit of patient. What I will do now, just in case another liquidity grab, okay, I have gone to the profit zone again, 2 of them. Thank you. Awesome. Let me know, guys, if you are on the trade, running on the sell trade. Can you confirm on the live chat how many of you on the trade? All right, so now the 5 minutes, this one has closed after multiple liquidity grab. I'll just, for safety, I will move the stop loss a little bit to the upside. It will not make any difference even if I'm stopped out. From 1904 to I will 4.212, I will move my stop loss at 1904.40. Okay, in case it goes for another spike, so that I'm not stopped out. It could be, but it might make a little bit of better. Might possible to go for another one, or possible to drop drastically to the downside. So the price action is bearish. I'll move my stop loss at okay, it's trying to show a bearish price action 1904.40. Okay, so I also updated the BAPs as well. Now okay guys, so it has closed with bearish price action. Let's turn on our TF indicator. There is a TF strategy satisfied here. For those who are learning TF strategy, you can see that with this candle, the previous one didn't, but this candle satisfied our TF strategy, and with that TF strategy we could see that the price is I'm expecting it to drop further. All right, now 15 minutes is almost nearly there. All right, so I've entered the profit zone again. $19.02.5. Okay, very good. I mean, okay, Forex is still running. Awesome. Just log in. Still running. Okay. Okay, so you see that gold, I have piled up 2 positions, guys, and both of them running in profit. All right, so trading, see, the real trading you will not find anywhere. Okay, real trading happens in only Forex Trading User Academy, guys. So if you want to be a real trader, I will recommend you to join today, because the real trader, very few you will find. The real trader who take the bigger profit when they are right, and they take very smaller loss when they are wrong. This is how the real trading happens. So if you really want to develop a sound trading psychology, I would recommend you also watch the live session. It is important that you, so I'm at entry both of this. I'll keep both of this position running on gold, and I want to see that with this 15 minutes price action, it's forming a doji. I want to see that it's breaking down. It gathered liquidity multiple times. Now it is, let me see, 3 times. Okay, now it is possible to get, so I moved my stop loss a little bit to the upside at 1904.40. Coach, thank you through your trading. Thanks for that. Yes, I'm still awesome. Very good. Thank you. So now if it drops to this level, we'll be gaining 4% on this single trade. Now as FOMC coming, gold has, the way it has formed this price action, you can see that there is a triple top, and there is a very strong bearish price action on the 1 hour chart. We see a candle which is also closing as a middleman. All right, and from 30 minutes also bearish. From 15 minutes it's forming as a doji. And is that for thanks for that. That's awesome. A lot of compliment. Very good. And now here might take another liquidity. Let me see. I don't think that you'll be able to break this high again. Let me see. On the 5 minutes, it's crucial that this candle remaining in this zone below this 20 EMA, so that the next one is coming down. Now this red candle is a, okay, so I need to see that really we get a response from the seller, from the buyers, and trying to gather liquidity. So trading is all about, battle between buyers and sellers. This is the main goal here, is to see who is in control. Now, this is a very important question. Even you'll ask yourself, who is in control. Okay, so it gathered liquidity from here. Price has come a lower high here. Okay. Now it managed to break to the downside. Okay. Yep. Okay, we'll be looking at other instrument as well. First, let's see how gold is doing here. Now from 1 hour, which is closing in 13 minutes, forming a doji. Right now this doji is crucial from 5 minutes. All right, guys. Now here is the key points to see that in this lower time frame, it's not being able to break the high. Instead, it's dropping down, which is needed for our growth. Right now, okay, so the price is it's coming down at the moment. Thank you. We'll discuss that. US30, we'll be looking at that. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening from Algeria. Thank you very much for joining the live session. So live at the moment, the way price action, I see, looking at the 15 minutes, potentially. Okay, so we look at the 5 minutes. So far in that zone, we still see the gathering of liquidity from the top and also from the bottom. So we see that bearish price action, right? Because I'm running 2 position on gold, I'll give a shout out what I'm doing with that positions, because if it drops well below, I might close one with profit, the other one might run for the bigger profit. Okay, we see that drop. Okay, so the price action so far downside. Both of my position currently running in profit, and I'm sure that for those who are running gold trade also running in profit. I just need guys a like and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure that you press that bell button so that you don't miss out any of the content that we are releasing in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading gold, euro dollar, GBP USD, GBP JPY, you can learn that. There is a link in the description area. You can visit the website, and once you are on the website, click join now button, and you will be able to access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So the link below this video, and also the first link at the top of the chat, just click the link and then you will be able to access everything that we have. So any question, there is a live agent Isa, she is very helpful. You can ask any question that you have. Now if you want to grow as a trader, I would recommend you to do now. That will speed up your learning. Okay, we said that, see that dot drop. Here is the key points to see that, you know, sometimes it takes a little bit of patience to see that the market going to your profit zone, and it's all about patience. Trading is, and let me see the 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, you can see it has done significant liquidity gap. Okay, I want to know one question, guys. When the price has gone up for liquidity grab, I'm on the trade, that is, you can see. I hope that everyone is on the trade. Can you assure me on the live chat, anyone due to the broker spread has stopped out when the price has gone up for a spike? So that's a very good point that we can discuss. Let me know if anyone has on that situation. Always use a regulated broker for your trading. And now here is the key points that you want to see, that it's again going up. Let me see, it's almost near my entry, but it's just testing. I got, okay, James, why? Anyone else? Okay, so it's because of the I would recommend you to use a regulated broker. Always, I mean, Hogo, very good. Okay, very good. I'm on profit coach with 0.07 size. Thank you, Dar. Very good, thank you, Dar. Also, can you let me know, guys, your entry on gold? What entry you are at? Okay, so we'll be entering again as soon as you will find, guys. Stick to the live session till the end. Okay, I mean, okay, there, I mean, is a gold will drop. Okay, very good, thank you. anyone in the, okay, here is the rejection on the so there is a candle close coming on the 1 hour. Let me see. This 1 hour candle that has formed for me, it's a bearish candle. Now, this is a 1 hour candle close. All right, so still 4 minutes remaining. So from the 15 minutes, is forming a doji. Now it's still bearish to me. Look at the 1 hour chart. Okay. Patience is the key to be profitable. Okay, so you see that some downside pressure coming. We need to see this low is broken, and then we'll be closing out one profit, the other one will keep that running, and in the meantime I will be looking at other pairs as well. Which one else you are looking at, let me know. Now I'm almost near my entry. Look at the 4 hour. One hour. So you still have 1 minute to go. So in the meantime, oil, okay, bearish, my coach, okay, it's still bearish. Yep, absolutely, we see that. So there is a, because there is a candle close coming, it is trying to make another liquidity grab, but yeah, that's what we need, a long red candle, and that will give us, as soon as you'll see gold has broken down in our profit, I will be taking one trade out with profit, and I will keep one running. All right, so the price action so far bearish, and I think that gold should come down to test the 1985 level. So you see that downside. I want to see this 5 minutes candle is closing as a bearish candle. Now 15 minutes is bearish. Okay, so we are on the right side. Alright guys, we are up and running in profit. Let me know guys, are you enjoying this live session? We'll have some more trade as well. These days we are having a bit more trade. There is a reason behind it. The market is very volatile and I want to take the full advantage of the market. Now the 5 minutes has formed a bearish engulfer. You can see that this 5 minutes candle is a full bearish engulfer. Should see that spike and break, and from 1 hour candle closed as a bearish candle, which is from the 1 hour perspective, which is bearish price action. So now let's see the profit running. Yeah, both of this trade. All right, let's wait for the break and then we'll be managing the position. So from 15 minutes, okay, we see that potential downside coming. So the market, you know, this is the key points here, is that the market will never go always in one direction. It will go up and down, but the price action, reading the price action is the key to be profitable as a trader. So are you able to read the price action? Let me know in the live chat. So 15 minutes so far, it formed strong bearish price action, and I'm expecting for the price to come down to create a new lower low. If we look at the 1 hour chart candle closed, where the 1 hour candle is a this is a bearish candle. Okay, it's a very strong drop from this level. Now from 5 minutes, do you find trading hard? Let me know. Do you think that trading is hard? Gold will drop further. Okay, thank you. Coach, do you coincide the weekly COT? Yeah, we'll be discussing that. Thank you for that. US30 looking nice, dropping. Euro dollar, thank you. Will with you, Jan. Okay, so if you mark 50k, now here is the key, is the rejection. Normally the price does this, it will have a drop and then will go up for a liquidity grab or a pullback. The structure is highly bearish, so you see there is a bearish angle from the 5 minutes. This one we need to see that very weaker response from the buyer, and then the next one we can expect it to melt down. So the way this structure is formed, which is potential for drop, and that drop, we should see the price has broken this 1900 level to the downside now. What it is trying to do here. So this is how you read the price action. The strength of the candle is the key. Okay, that will tell you exactly how the, you see, last moment there is a spike on the 5 minutes. Now this is very, you can see the lot of up and down. This structure might be an issue at the moment. Let me see. See how many times the price is breaking up and down for this potential potential movement. You guys, are you with me? Okay, so where is thank you if you mark. Okay, thank you. Grabbing the liquidity from the tip. Yes, it's get the liquidity and then drop, and then liquidity then drop. So where is come from? Yeah, euro dollar with the trend channel is easy. Thank you for that. Trading choppy market. Okay. All right, thank you. So CAD JPY. Yeah, we will be looking at all of them: euro dollar, GBP JPY, and CAD JPY. We are running a buy trade, which is in the profit. I will keep that trade on. This is a, this is a perfect example also from our TF strategy. Now you can see CAD JPY. This is there is a very strong bullish engulfer with a trigger of liquidity. Now if we turn on our TF strategy indicator, we see that CAD JPY are giving us the bullish trade signal. This is where we have opened that on CAD JPY. So from that zone we saw significant movement, and I think that CAD JPY might come down a little bit, and then we can expect to remain bullish this instrument CAD JPY. If you look at the 1 hour, we can see that the market has formed this strong impulse, correction impulse. It might come down for a deeper swing low, for it might break this swing low, I think that, and then we could see that bullish move to the upside again, as we see that the market is a long-term bullish market, CAD JPY, and we could see that this market is remaining bullish. All right, so CAD JPY is coming down for a deeper pullback. We will still keep that trade on, and I want to see that after breaking this swing low again going to the upside. So looking at gold again, guys, we see that this market, let me see on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes how it is trying to do. Didn't make that effort. We see a structure has been formed here on the lower time frame. That is not expected. So let me see. Okay, so 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour price action. So this 15 minutes is closing in 5 minutes time, and okay, so from 5 minutes, which is good. So I want to see this one closing as a red candle, which is good, and then the next one should be coming down to break. This is how we see that price action potentially, which is both of my position has come down to the profit again. It formed a very interesting structure here. Okay guys, so gold I see potentially downside yet. Let me know guys, how are you doing in your trading? Use the live chat if you have any question. Yeah, really thank you for that. Awesome. Yeah, Michael, absolutely. We are on gold trade. I'm running in gold trade 2 position, running in profit. Now we see that break, and as soon as I'll close any position with profit, I'll give a shout out guys, which is we see that drop coming, and this is the 15 minutes candle which is rejecting, which is very good for us. We need to see that the market in fact rejected from that zone, has broken down and giving us the TP hit that we needed. So the way the price action so far is still downside. Now here is the thing on the 1 hour. We see that the price action from 1 hour showing rejection from the top. Okay. That's good. Just dropping down. Now this is a very sharp rejection. You see that long drop and consolidation. The next drop we see quite a few candles consolidated here, multiple time liquidity grab, and there's some 15 minutes which is closing almost nearly. Now once it will drop, I'll give a shout out guys what I'm doing with my positions, because the price sometimes move very fast, and sometimes you know when it is in a big profit in a very fast time it goes up or down. So I'll let you know what I'm doing with my position. And in the meantime guys, smash the like button now and also subscribe to the channel. So I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds. Everyone have time to do that. Smashing the like button and also subscribe to the channel, press that bell button. Did you do that? Awesome. Thank you for supporting the channel, and also At the same time, if you are looking to trade with a regulated broker, you can trade with a regulated broker. I will recommend you to use always a regulated broker. There is a link in the description for regulated broker that we are recommended ever trade, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. The link is, you can click the link and then register for free, and once you register it will take you to the page where you can register, and once you register you can start trading with minimum capital. So there is a spike, guys, spike down. All right, let me see. If it is a false breakout, we will be closing out position, because if it is a false spike then we might see even that reversal. Let me see. That's not good. Let me see. It's below, come back to below 1900. There is a psychological it at 1900 there is a psychological reaction, but I think that it will come down again. I'm still in profit. Let me see. Okay, this is another amount of liquidity graph from 20 EMA. So it is a, this is spike to the upside. Let's see. Could see that see these 5 minutes, you see that if it is closing as a long wick like that, the next one we should be able to see that drop, because it gathered massive liquidity from the top. I want to see that this candle is closing as a long wick like that. Still 1 minute 23 seconds for this candle to close. Guys, so market a little bit volatile, but it's still I'm on both of this gold trade. As the FOMC coming, what is trying to do? almost came to 20p profit. Okay, there is a gap opening on the 5 minutes. All right, now this is a very interesting price action has formed. Okay, so from here, from this 20 EMA, we can expect now downside movement as the price gather liquidity at the top. Okay guys, what other instrument you are looking at? Okay, so we'll keep that gold trade on. Let me see what else you are looking at. Let me know in the live chat. So tricky place, I know it's a very tricky place, but if it breaks, it will break, no doubt that if it is breaks, then it should break well below the price action. Market structure is still bearish, so we will still holding the trade, but let me see if the FOMC coming from the daily. It just had a rejection from the daily support. Now this is a point here. There is a gap opening, guys. But it's still downside. Let me see. This gap opening might cause an issue. After testing the 15 minutes 20 EMA, we should be able to see spike down again. So if we need to close out the break even, we'll be doing that. The gap opening causing an issue. Let me see. Today the market is really choppy, but it's still okay. Now yeah, now we should see that doji. I'm still holding. I'm still hopeful for the drop because the price action is still bearish. But I test the 15 minutes 20 EMA. Okay guys, I'm still holding. Needed after coming to the profit zone, it should come down for another spike. Even if it wants to reverse, it should come down again for another retest below this level. If we see that needed, we can close it, but still the price action is maintaining that bearish. So dollar yen, AUD, CHF, GBP JPY, we'll be looking at that. retest the 20 EMA. Okay, candle closed. What kind of price action is that? It's gonna test the 20 EMA again. Okay, so here is the key. Let keep that play out. Okay guys, so let's quickly jump onto other instrument, let the market do its job, and then we'll be looking back again after we see that. In the meantime, let me look at the dollar yen. If we look at the lower time frame, it is a bull market. You can see with this pin bar the price has gone up. If we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, dollar yen had a significant bounce from this daily support level. This is a daily impulse on dollar yen. Now with this daily impulse, dollar yen has created this move, and I think the dollar yen might come down for a pullback, but it's maintaining this bullish market structure. Now what we see, the dollar yen on the lower time frame, there is a multiple. You see this doji here. This doji is in fact very strong rejection from the bottom, and for this perspective, we see the dollar yen from this zone where there is a 20 EMA retest multiple time, and from that zone we saw the dollar yen creating series of higher high and higher low, has gone to the upside. So we could see that dollar yen is remaining bullish. I think the dollar yen could remain bullish as it is a long-term bullish market. So from bigger picture, we see that dollar yen is highly bullish, and from the intraday perspective, it's coming down for a pullback, but it's still dollar yen is bullish. Okay, so any kind of pullback after closing of this candle will give an opportunity for potential buying opportunity on dollar yen. So gold, I think that's again coming up for another liquidity gap. Let me see, it tested the 20 EMA again on the 15 minutes. It's another 20 EMA retest. So I'll be still the trade. Let it play out. In the meantime, let's quickly look at the GBP JPY. So looking at GBP JPY from 4-hour perspective, we can see that this market from bigger picture, GJ is it's a bull market. We have seen with this news announcement there was a very strong movement on GBP JPY, and from that zone with this strong bullish engulfer, the price has a rejection, and we have seen now the price again pushing high. So GBP JPY is a long-term bullish market. If we look at the daily, we can see that from this daily perspective, GJ had this is a strongly bullish market. There is even no pullback. I think GBP JPY might even come down for a deeper pullback. Even it might come down for reversal, because this market is in fact a very strongly bullish market. Okay, so we saw that gold had a very dramatic movement. Let me see again on this time frame. I see that very strong dramatic movement happen. Okay, so let me see this 5 minutes. Okay, so there is a doji. It is still I'm the trade, and very interesting price action. It might now go up for, let me see what it is trying to do. So from 15 minutes it's formed another liquidity candle. Might push up. So it's very, very clumsy. You can still can drop right from the zone after forming two dojis, because this is structure. If we look at the 1 hour, tested the 1 hour 20 MA. My stop loss is still above. Look, this lower time frame price action is crucial. Let's keep that play out, because this 5 minutes candle, if it is forming a red doji, it is possible again to come down, or if it is breaking to the upside, then we might see that gold has reversed. For FOMC, we might see that again has gone up for FOMC reversal, that we can say. It's still halfway. Still halfway. Let's see. This is a, if this one is closing as a red candle, we can expect again another break to the downside. Okay, already it has broken the previous candle's low. So if this time the price is breaking down, can expect it to come down for deeper drop. Now if this one, let's say this doji, if it is crossing up and going up, then it's just blown out, then we'll see that it's belonging to the upside. But so far, again coming to the support level. Let's find out. Okay, so in the meantime, we see the GJ again pushing high. Dollar yen also, after we see that multiple times the price form a couple of dojis here from the 1 hour also. As FOMC coming, dollar yen might be getting very volatile. Okay guys, so I hope that you are enjoying. Let me know in the live chat how you are doing. And gold, I want to see that in fact before the candle close, this 4 hour candle is closing, and we need to see significant rejection here. Okay guys, so you see that very volatile. um, downside bias still. Okay, so you see gap opening on the red on the 5 minutes. So let's keep that gold holding. Still there is a probability for this downside movement on gold. Let's keep that holding, and with that said, let's look at some other pairs that currently showing opportunity. Let's look at the US30. Okay, so US30, what do we see that from bigger picture perspective? US30, this 4-hour candle is getting rejected, but if you look at the daily, there is a very long bearish engulf around the daily time frame, and the price after breaking the daily low is going up. I think that US30 testing this level. You can see here it is testing this support as a resistance, and then we can expect US30 to have another rejection towards the downside. So from lower time frame, it has broken the support and going up. There is a massive spike on gold. Massive spike on gold. Out. There's a massive spike on gold. Let's see. So FOMC reversal. Okay, so it's gonna reverse from here. Alright guys, so it's a FOMC reversal on gold. It's gonna push up now. Okay, so that's it. Now $19.40 zone. Yeah, I think so. So it's gonna move up. That's a very, this price action is really, you can see in that zone gold, in fact, very interesting price action here. It has broken the support and again had a reversal. So it's because of the you can see that the market, if you look at the daily, right, we see that the price has come down to the daily support level, and from this zone we saw this again getting that reversal now. it's, if you look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, the price on this, the price has come to the today's daily low and then had this bounce to the upside. Because FOMC coming, we could see that it's going up for further liquidity here, right? So this is where we saw that the market had a bounce. All right, so now with this bounce, highly likely we could see that gold is moving up to this level, because there is FOMC and the market, in fact, with this 15 minutes candle, you can see had a strong reversal on this one. So yeah, this is the resistance line. This is a 5 minutes, massive bullish candle, and so this gap opening, basically it was a reversal here with this gap opening. It is okay, I'll leave that on. Yes, it's the FOMC meeting minutes. So FOMC meeting minutes, this is also a very important news. There will be volatility because of this, okay, which is in my zone 4 AM. So and because of this, we see this volatility, which in fact literally pushing high. Now CAD JPY, we see that CAD JPY from lower time frame, from 4-hour perspective, CAD JPY is moving high. We'll keep that trade running up. Now dollar yen had a, it's coming down for a deeper pullback. Yeah, okay, so in the 4-hour, and even if it is not breaking this one, even it might again come down. Let me see. Okay. GBP USD, see that with this news early today, GBP USD has formed this inverted head and shoulder, has broken to the upside. Now with this break to the upside on GBP USD, with this inverted head and shoulder, price is showing potentially reversal. I think that you see that GBP USD had formed a very strong reversal pattern here. Okay, so with this reversal pattern on GBP USD, we could see that the market breaking to the upside with the news coming up, and that is where you see the reflected on gold as well, breaking to the upside. Very strong movement. Now, okay, it's gonna come down again, right, breaking this low, and then we could see that the price is pushing high again. So yeah, it's a GJ. Okay, so GBP JPY, let's quickly look at GBP JPY. Now if we look at GBP JPY, we can see that from the this is the news candle. You can see a bullish engulfer followed by a narrow doji, and GBP JPY, without breaking this low, we have seen that there is a strong movement to the upside. And with this movement, we see that GBP JPY potentially has created a significant bullish move, and it is extensively bullish market. At the moment, I wouldn't buy GBP JPY because it's a very strongly bull market, and we could see that the market is going up to create a new higher high, but at any point we can expect that reversal on GBP JPY for a deeper pullback. All right, guys, so you can see the market. If we look at here on the calendar, so now we started the Thursday, Wednesday, in 10 minutes it will be Thursday. Thursday is dollar. So tomorrow morning AUD news coming, Sydney morning, and then 10:30 p.m. dollar USD news is coming. So both of them we will be covering up, dollar as well as all of them. So in the meantime, as the market is a bit in manipulation, I think that better to wait a bit more time to see how the price action is evolving. Then we will be looking to enter trade. Now you can see back to back two liquidity candle. So this is a let me see, it's closing above with this. Okay, so there is another liquidity candle. We can go long again with a proper risk management, and this time I'll be targeting up to this level, and I'll be again risking 1%. And keep in mind, guys, this trade even we could run after the live session, so I'll keep running even after the live session this trade. So keep my stop loss below this low. TP target is 2.6, trade long. Okay, so I will be also, this is a high probability buy trade on gold as the price has reversed. And after that, as we see that the market is a bit volatile, we'll keep that trade running even after the live session. Okay guys, so this is a trade that I will be keep running for the rest of the time until the daily close. I'm expecting for gold to have this bounce because there is a very strong rejection. Can expect it to move up. And with that said guys, I'll be ending today's live, and I'll come on live again. I will keep you updated any of this update. If you are not on the VIP on the free Telegram channel, you can join the free Telegram channel. Always make sure guys that manage your risk when you are trading. And with that said, thank you very much for joining the live session. I will see you tomorrow again in another live. And also, if you want to join a regulated broker, there is a link in the description area for Ava Trade. They are regulated. You can join Ava Trade, and they are regulated, so your capital is in the safe. And I think that gold, you can see back to back two bullish candle can give gold a good momentum to the upside. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, louder, no problem. So you're expecting this one to go up. We had a win early in our previous session on GBP JPY, and also we had a VIP win, which is also CAD JPY running in profit. CAD JPY running in good profit on VIP, which is almost nearly hitting the TP. So yeah, we'll still to the upside. Now from the 4-hour, we see the price has formed this doji, and okay, so let me see. Now as the price is creating that a spike. All right, we'll keep that running. And with that said guys, thank you, and I'll see you again very soon in the next live.